Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Nico. So right now, I am walking down this trail to try to find waterfalls. Let me explain. Yesterday I was grocery shopping and I came across these two people. Now we chatted it up a little bit and they were telling me that there's waterfalls here that people slide down. And I was like, wow, that's awesome. I gotta go check that out. They told me what state park to go to, but I have no idea if I'm on the right trail, and I have no idea how long this is. So one of the things that people do here in Wyoming is actually rock climbing or bouldering. I'm not really sure which one's which. So they have these beautiful, beautiful cliffs. I don't know what you call it, but apparently people come from all over the world, you know, to do rock climbing in this beautiful state. Now these are some beautiful falls, but they're not the ones that I'm looking for. So we gotta keep searching. I really hope I'm going the right way. Okay guys, some good news. I was starting to get a little discouraged because I've been hiking for quite some time and I haven't come to the end yet. Then I saw the sign, Falls Trails, which means I must be going the right way. So now there's no doubt in my mind that this is the right trail. Hopefully I'll follow the Falls Trail and that will lead me to it. Man, I'm a little out of breath guys because it's been an uphill climb and man, is it tiring. Well guys, I hate to say it, but I think this was an L. So I'm 95% sure that this is where it's supposed to be. But as you can see, there's no water right now. Now it's supposed to be all the way up here, but there's nothing. Look, there's a couple of fish swimming. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's just dried up right now. So this adventure didn't happen. Sorry I couldn't go find and slide down any waterfalls for you guys today. But I mean, this was still a very, very beautiful hike. You know, being out here by nature, just, you know, taking some time off is really a beautiful thing, guys. So, I just ran into someone and he confirmed that that area I was in was the place where people go and slide down waterfalls. However, you guys saw that that place was just completely desiccated. You know, there was no water and it was dry, and it just wasn't the right time. But that's okay, guys, because sometimes it's about the journey and not the destination. And I still got to see and explore this beautiful, beautiful state park, Sinks Canyon in Wyoming. So, thanks for coming and joining me in this journey, guys, and I'll see you next time. One more thing, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment, tell me if you like these vlogs, if you don't like these vlogs, things I can improve on, and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button.